Hello there. We're doing some unboxing today, aren't we, Jackson? Yeah. Okay. My name's David. This is my little helper, Jackson. I ordered some boxes from Z Box or My Geek Box. Yeah. And this is one of the small boxes that I've got, isn't it, Jackson? Shall we have a look inside? Because I'm not too sure what we've got. So, I'm going to open the box. Yeah. Wow, what have I got in here? I got a Super Mario Brothers Pixel Craft. And you can make your own pixelated characters from Super Mario. That's cool, isn't it, Jackson? Do you want to have a look at that? Yeah. Wow. Wow, this is cool as well. I've also got myself an Avengers Infinity War 34 decal for use with your laptop and smartphone. So you can stick that on your phone and on your laptop. Look at all those decals we got there. I think that's the right way of saying it. Is it decals? Yeah. Yeah. I'll call them stickers. Wow. I've got, oh, look at this. Everyone loves a bit of Jaws. I got a Jaws limited edition coin. This is limited to 1,000 worldwide, individually numbered, embossed on both sides, gold edition from Universal. Yeah. Do you want to have a look at that one? Yeah. Shall we see what number we've got there? I have number, can't see it, 812. Be cool if we had number 1, wouldn't it? Yeah. What have we got here? We have Pint Size Heroes, Guardian of the Galaxies, Volume 2. So, you've got, looks like you've got a little mystery figure in there. There's all the characters from Guardian of the Galaxy. I can't remember them because I haven't watched that many. I haven't watched it recently. Inside? There's a little character inside. And open it. We can open it later. Okay, and last but not least, I have a poster. Yeah. Wow. You do another one in a minute. We'll do another boxing in a minute. We'll do another one tomorrow. Wow, that looks like the deer from Harry Potter. Yeah. Is the deer Harry Potter's dad or something like that? The figure? No. Okay. I'm sure your mum will tell me. I'll do the box in a minute. We'll do that. So that's cool, isn't it? Yeah. So do you like all these things, Jackson, that we ordered? Yeah. Yeah. Wow, isn't that cool? So we're gonna give it a thumbs up? Look at the camera, give it a thumbs up? Yeah. And if you like this video, yeah, and it's fine. Subscribe, that's it, well done. Do another one in a minute. Yeah. Okay, say goodbye. Bye-bye.